It's almost 11 o'clock. We had a bit of a slow start this morning, but we've been up for a little while, just having coffee and that sort of thing. I just wrote up a quick little grocery list here because I have decided starting next week I'm going to switch up my grocery shopping day to Wednesday. But in order to get us through until Wednesday, I needed a few things since I did my shopping on a Sunday, and I typically only shop for like 7 days. So I put together a quick list of meal planning and a teeny tiny little grocery list and scheduled that for pickup later on today. So that's taken care of, and then that way we can get on a better schedule with you know, being able to clean out the refrigerator on trash day again. We used to do our shopping on Wednesday all the time, and for some reason I changed it, and we're going back because that worked out well for us. So that's kind of what we spent the morning doing while we had our coffee. I'll pick these up later. Robbie has a soccer game later, so I need to get him up and make sure that all of his stuff is ready for that soccer game. If he needs to throw in a load of laundry, he can do that. But yeah, that's what's been going on this morning. It's pretty much all that we have on the agenda, other than just general housework, laundry, that type of thing. So I'll check in with you guys later. I just wanted to say good morning. So I just asked Eric if he would light my candle here, and now all I want to do is watch Rent. Anybody else? Anyways, this is the Winter Woods candle from Grove Collaborative, and it smells so good. I love it so much. I got it as like it was part of a bundle. It was sort of like a free gift because the bundle cost the same as it would have without the candle or something like that. It was basically free, and it is by far my favorite candle I have ever had from Grove. Highly recommend this one. So I just went in and signed up for the Budget Mom's new course. It's her savings challenges in 2020. You guys know I've been talking nonstop lately about the budget. I want to save as much money as possible next year to put towards debt. And so one of the things that the Budget Mom is offering is savings challenges in 2020. It's like a $20 course that you can pay for, and she's going to share all of her savings tips. I'm pretty excited. She did some savings challenges in 2019 and shared them on her channel, and they seemed like a lot of fun, so I'm excited to give this a try. I paid $10. Apparently there's a promotion today. I think it's today only. I haven't even finished watching her entire video. That's how excited I was. I've heard her talk about this on her Instagram, so as soon as I realized it was up, I went and signed up, and now I'm actually going to watch the video and find out what it's all about. But for $10, if it saves me a little bit of money next year, I think it'll be worth it. So yeah, recommend that you guys check out the Budget Mom if you're into budgeting, because this woman is a financial genius, I swear. I love all of her principles and the way that she goes about tackling debt. So I'm gonna go watch this and figure out what I just signed up for. So I am working on uploading my video for today. Eric just left to go and pick up groceries for me, which was so sweet. Once he gets home, I will show you guys the few items that we picked up. It's not going to be like a traditional grocery haul because it's just to get us through until next week when I do the actual grocery shopping. But I'll show you guys that when he gets home. But he was nice enough to offer to go and get that for me so I could do this. While this is uploading, I'm going to work on my thumbnail for the video. And then my work for today will be done. Okay, so they just brought everything in, and it looks like a lot more than I was expecting. It was only $35 or something, but it looks like we got a little goodie bag for the holiday, a big goodie bag, so we'll check that out in a minute. But let's show you really quickly. I'm not even going to take everything out of the bags and set it up nice, so we'll just do it willy-nilly here. Got some cinnamon raisin bagels, some oatmeal cream pies, that's for Eric, so I'm going to hand those off to him right now. Say hi, Eric.
Hi.
We've got some buttery crackers. That's what Austin wanted for a snack this week. Nothing on them, just crackers. So that's what he asked for. That's what he got. We've got some apples. I think that's the only thing in this bag. Yep. So apples. Oh, thank you. A lot easier when you have more than one hand. What do we got in this bag, baby? Tomatoes. We're going to have a set. Those are huge. We have a salad tonight. Iceberg lettuce. We're still not sure about romaine lettuce. There's listeria things happening. So we got iceberg, cucumber, some bologna. That's for Eric's lunches. Got some strawberry cream cheese spread. I thought that would be good on those bagels. Also got some cheese singles. Cinnamon bagels with strawberry cream cheese. I think that'll be good. I was thinking for some reason these were blueberry because of the purple packaging. Not what I thought I ordered, but that's okay. We got a local white bread. My coffee creamer, I just got the Italian sweet cream this time. Getting a little burnt out on the peppermint. Got some Texas toast. That's to go with a spaghetti dish we're going to have this week. What is that? Oh, vinegar. I use that for cleaning. We've been out for a while. We use that on our butcher block countertops. Oh yeah, we have a substitution. I ordered the Walmart brand Pop-Tarts and they gave us the actual Pop-Tart brand Pop-Tarts, which is awesome. Got some Pringles. Those are for Eric for work. 2 packages of the original. And that, I think, is everything that we ordered. Oh, well, in the 7-Up. I got a 6-pack of 7-Up for myself. So that was everything that we needed just to get us through the next few days until Wednesday when I can shop again. Now let's go ahead and go through this little goodie bag. So we got a bunch of coupons and... Oh no, these aren't coupons. These are one of these things you just scan to add them to your cart. Sort of misleading. It sort of looks like it's a coupon, but it's not. What is this? This is a holiday gift card that you can load and give to a friend. This is, yummy, some caramel Ghirardelli chocolate squares. Got some Smart Food Smart Pop popcorn and sea salt. Dang, this is a really nice little gift bag. We got a little can of 7-Up. You get out of here. You're not stealing my stuff. Get out of here. And a can of Coke. Oh, this is the cinnamon Coke.
You don't like that.
I haven't actually tried it.
But oh no, you had the cinnamon Pepsi or something.
No, I just said that I probably wouldn't like cinnamon Coke.
Oh, well, you're definitely not.
I'll try it. What else? Oh, look at that. These are from Blue Diamond. These are almonds and fruit. This is, ooh, Robbie, this will be for you. Fiery ghost pepper almonds and tart cherry. What do you think? You brave enough to try that? Ghost pepper?
He's not.
Probably not.
Mine.
We'll get you on camera taste testing that.
Yeah, we'll do that.
And one last thing in the bottom here. Extra virgin olive oil.
It looks like an olive.
It looks like an olive. That's super cute. Alright, so that was our little gift bag, plus this reusable bag, which is very nice.
Oh, this is expensive olive oil, too.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Bertolli. Okay.
It's more expensive than the crap we get.
It's all the same.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. Anyways,
They can charge me.
I'm going to go and put the stuff away now, but that was our groceries. Alright, so we're going to do a little mini taste test of the ghost pepper almonds and tart cherry fruit blend here from Blue Diamond, and we're also going to do a taste test of the cinnamon Coke, which we haven't tried yet. So, go ahead and try those. Robbie loves spicy, so this should be good for him. Do they smell spicy?
Yeah. So what am I doing?
That's a cherry. You sticking around for this?
No, I'm doing this.
Don't mind the mess in our background here.
Mm-hmm.
How are they? He can try one. They're not yours.
They're all mine. No one is gonna like them. It's weird.
Is it spicy though?
Just the almond?
Yeah.
Or whatever it
The
is.
almond is ghost pepper.
Mm-hmm. It's good.
Is it spicy?
A little. Not very much.
Eric, you gonna try it?
No.
No, they're really not spicy at all.
So that was those. I'm not brave enough to try these. I'm gonna try the cinnamon Coke though. I do not anticipate liking this. Oh. You out of here? He's headed to work. So have a good day.
Yep.
Give those back.
All
Girls
right.
eating them.
Let's give this a shot.
I was about to say, can I try?
Well, that is weird.
How can pop have a texture?
It literally tastes like Coke with cinnamon in it. So, I mean, I guess it wasn't too far off the
It
mark.
tastes like someone took a teaspoon of cinnamon and just dropped it in. It
Yeah.
even has that weird texture.
Now, if you weren't paying close enough attention and you bought this, you might think this was cherry Coke because they're the same color, the cinnamon and the cherry, the little ring are on the top. Now, not so much with the can. The can makes it pretty obvious, but I know in terms of like the 20-ounce bottle, I on more than one occasion have went to grab a cherry Coke and accidentally grabbed the cinnamon Coke. Luckily, I have never went through with the purchase. I've always noticed, but imagine thinking you're getting cherry Coke and then taking a big swig of this. What do you think? Do you like the cinnamon Coke? You like it? You're a fan? How about,
I'm drinking it.
how about you?
That's okay.
All right.
It's just strange.
So there's our taste test. So I've got my little recollections cart here that I showed you guys in a vlog a little while ago, and Robbie has agreed to put it together for me. This is one of my Christmas gifts from Eric. We don't wait for Christmas to exchange gifts, he and I. We typically just buy things for each other that we've been wanting throughout the year, and we give them to one another in December. So this is one of the things that I asked for. So Robbie here has agreed to put it together for me. Thank you, Robbie.
Yep.
Oop. Careful. Sirius thinks he's a Christmas present under there. What are you?
Put a bow on his head.
Yeah.
Oh, later, I gotta have Austin experience the amazingness of the movie Underdog.
Underdog?
Yeah.
That's like a classic movie.
That's an amazing movie.
What, did you watch it last night?
No, I watched it years ago, but I noticed it was on Disney Plus, so I have to have him watch it.
Oh, so that's what you guys are going to watch later?
Yep.
Alright, so he's putting this
He
cart
doesn't get
together.
a choice.
And it looks like it's pretty straightforward, huh?
Yep.
Shouldn't give you too much trouble.
Nope. Hopefully I don't need a drill, because that's with Dad.
Alright, so that came together really quick and easy. He's just putting the last of the parts on now. Didn't even really require any tools, right? Till the very end there, they gave you a little wrench to tighten the nut down. So, pretty easy. Thank you for putting it together for me. I appreciate it.
Yep, and then we're watching Underdog, and it's gonna be amazing, and we're gonna see Mom's face, because apparently she's never seen it. You guys don't know classic movies.
Alrighty then. Have you guys seen Underdog?
I bent the wrench.
Nice job. Alright, so I went into my little course and printed out all of the printables for the January savings challenges. I'm going to link the Budget Mom down below in case you guys want to check out the course, but printed everything out. I'm just getting them punched with my little arc punch here, and I'm going to put them into my budget binder.
No, that's accurate.
There we go, all set. And then I just need to cut out the little cash envelopes as well. Then I'll be all set. Okay, so I punched the holes a little bit off center so they don't quite sit perfectly flush with the rest of my notebook, but they will work. All of my savings challenges for January, both of them, when you download the, or when you enroll in the course, you get 2 savings challenges per month. So a total of 24 different savings challenges and all the printables and stuff that come with it. So I printed out the instructions and punched those, and I also printed out the little cash envelopes that you get and cut them and just taped them. I was going to laminate these, but I decided against it because I want to be able to write down my savings. So that is all set. I just have to decide if I want to punch these to keep them in my budget book or not. I haven't decided, but overall, I'm very excited about this savings challenge. Dinner tonight is venison spaghetti, and we have some garlic bread there. Robbie also made a huge garden salad. So that's what we're having, and Eric's not home, so we're not really sitting around the table as a family, just kind of enjoying our dinner.